of the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification. Having that said, the giveaway is still going on. Once we hit 100, I'm giving that Chemical Guys bucket to the winner. Having that said, today we are going to Widebody the Mustang. Alright, we're not gonna Widebody it. I just pretty much got this idea where I'm gonna just Widebody it with cardboard and then just see how it looks, you know. First of all, I have to wash it because I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little dirty. Still have to change the grill on the car. Still broken. Like I said, I don't know. I'm still indecisive with either getting the GT350 or the GT500 on this, because I really like the GT350, but also I like the bumper, the original one. So I don't know if I'm gonna just actually change it or not. But yeah, I have an hour and 30 minutes to drive, so I'm not gonna wash the car here. I think I'm gonna wash it over there, and yeah, let's get to it. Guys, so I actually had to come and pump some gas because, man, having a V8 ain't no joke right now. No, mi gente. But the kid wanted a V8. That car takes a lot of my money. But gusto, look, back to the full mark. By the time I get there, it's gonna be like halfway wash. This is my favorite thing about coming here, just the mountains. And you guys watch my videos, let me know where's the good car wash here, so next time I come, you know, I know where to go and where not to go. Alright, we made it to the house, but we're about to go wash the car right now because it's just too dirty. They actually have a Fox body here. I've driven it once in stick shift too. It pops, I'm not gonna lie. But I think something happened to it on the way here. It's not working right now. I was gonna make a video with this car too. Alright guys, we're here at the car wash because Odali says that my car stinks. Does it really stink? I don't know about that, but I mean, we're in the car wash, so we're about to wash it. So look, I only come to car washes that have this thing right here. Pretty much it dries the car, and then I wash it with clean it with the towel. But I mean, it's not a bad car wash. The car is dusty, so we're about to wash it right now. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we just finished washing the car. We came to AutoZone. Porque la Odali's
fucking car stinks like shit.
No, it doesn't, bro.
Yeah, it does.
Let's go. Honestly guys, the car came out looking good. Right here breaking necks. Aquí venimos a comprarle coca a mi suegra porque somos bien coqueros. Nah, no se crean, está coca. Alright guys, we're finally gonna get started. For those who don't know, for those of you that don't know what a wide body is, it's pretty much this right here. Alright, so this is all the cardboard we're gonna use. You're not even gonna use all of it. Yes, I am. Well, don't you stand there, help? So honestly, I don't know how I'm going to be about this or what I'm gonna do, but I don't even know where to start. Wide body.
I see how well he takes care of his car. I'll give you a guess. He does it. Oh, you don't take care of your car?
I'm gonna use the middle of the cardboard and try to make the fender so it could like stick out. Oh god, what's this? What? That was a scratch? Oh no, it's like web or some shit. Try to do the fenders, and then with the little pieces right here, either try to like make it like a little like, you know, bottom lid, splitter, whatever you guys call it. Oh shit, my cardboard. And then right here, try to do like a little diffuser with cardboard. And in the bag, same thing. Try to make like a little. Yeah, I think it's gonna work out. Might not look the best, but I mean it's cardboard. You know, it's just for content.
Go put it again.
Alright guys, it's not gonna get any better than this. It's cardboard. Look at this. It's a white body. Bro, look at this shit.
Just stop this idea, bro.
Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's go all the way. Let's just do it. I gotta do it. Oh my god. Alright guys, so the tape is not working. We're just gonna drill a hole through here. So hey guys, we're pretty much done already. We're gonna do the whole car, but it's just gonna take too long, and honestly it doesn't look that good. Shout out to Home Depot for sponsoring the body kit. Here we go. That's my wide body. I don't know why I thought it was gonna look better. In my head I had like a certain image, but I mean it's cardboard, you can't really do much with it. So now we're just about to drive it to see if it stays on. We're gonna do the whole car, but it's just not coming out good.
It's not coming out good and it's taking too much time.
Yeah.
And we need to go to Ross to get the curtain. ¿Quieres ir? ¿Quieres ir en el white body? Oh my. He has cardboard all over his. Because we ran out of spray can. It's falling apart. It hasn't even driven it. It's already falling apart.
I don't know, bro. Hey guys, was it a success? I don't know. I don't think we could call it a success. What do you guys think? Just do the whole body next time.
Next time, get it legit.
You gonna pay for it?
Yeah.
You guys heard that? I'm gonna get sponsored by Maito. We're gonna have a full body kit on it.
Sponsor beans, you can check it.
Alright guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I know it wasn't what you guys expected, but this cardboard, you can't really expect much from that. But I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it was fun. The whole video was fun. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Do all those things. Till next time. And now I gotta clean up my mess.